Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about the word aid. What does aid mean? Let me explain. Aid means helper. An aide is someone who helps other people. Who can be an aide? Many different people can be aides. There are different types of aides. Let's look at some examples. A personal aide helps people with daily activities like eating, dressing, or moving around. A nurse aide works in hospitals or care homes. They help nurses take care of patients. A teacher aide works in schools. They help teachers and students in the classroom. An office aide helps with work tasks like filing papers, answering phones, or organizing documents. Aides help people every day. They do important work to make life better for others. Aide and aid sound the same but are different. Aide is a person who helps. Aid means help or support itself. An aide works directly with people. They talk, listen, and guide those who need assistance. An aide gives support. They are there when someone needs a helping hand. At school, an aide helps students learn. They work with teachers to make lessons easier to understand. At the hospital, an aide helps patients feel comfortable. They check on them and help with basic needs. At home, an aide helps elderly or disabled people. They assist with cooking, cleaning, or personal care. At the office, an aide helps with daily tasks. They organize files and support the team. Why are aides important? Because they care for people who need extra help. An aide helps with many tasks. They do whatever is needed to support others. Aides make life easier. They bring comfort and relief to people who are struggling. Aides work together as a team. They support each other to give the best care possible. An aide is a kind person. They show love and patience in everything they do. How can you be a good aide? Listen carefully, help with a smile, and always show respect. An aide treats everyone with respect. They value the people they help and honor their dignity. An aide keeps people safe. They follow rules and use proper tools to protect everyone. An aide can also be a friend. They build trust and bring happiness to those they care for. Being an aide is an important job. It takes skill, heart, and dedication. Thank you for learning with Wordscience today. Keep watching Wordscience to learn more amazing words. Practice using new words every day. The more you learn, the better you become. See you next time on Wordscience. Keep learning and growing.